Shopify's broadcast theme. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be discussing the pros and cons of using Shopify's broadcast theme, what it looks like, what the demo store is like, what is the pricing, what are the focuses of this theme. So let's get started. Now, building your Shopify store can be so difficult. And if you take a look at some of the free themes on Shopify, although they are great, they are proven to have great conversions. The Dawn theme is really nice and simple and elegant. You have a bunch of free themes, but these themes can seem a bit redundant. And if you want to stand out and make your Shopify store look unique, then having a good theme is really important. Now, having a good theme does not come cheap, but it comes very, very profitable because a good theme focuses on conversions and helps you build your brand identity, which can help you in getting recurring customers, having constant revenue, and many other pros. So let's get started. Now, to actually view the broadcast theme on Shopify, we're going to go into Themes under Online Store. Once you scroll down, you're going to click on Visit Theme Store. And once you visit the theme store on Shopify, this is a paid theme. So you're just going to select the paid themes. And if you scroll on the first page, you're going to find the broadcast theme. You can even click on the top right search icon to search for the broadcast theme. It is currently priced at $400 and it has 94% positive reviews. Now, if you scroll down, you will actually see some information about this theme. First off, it is one of the most feature-rich themes with 30 plus customizable sections that are pre-built. Then you also have endless design flexibility where you can add or remove apps. You don't need a lot of applications other than your theme apps to customize the visual looks, with the functionality of your store being a top priority. You have one-click add-ons such as product upsells, robust promotional features, product add-ons, add to cart features for additional items. And these features allow you to, get rid of some of the excessive applications that you're going to need whenever you're running a Shopify store, because excessive applications are going to slow down your speed. However, with this particular theme, it is optimized for mobile and speed. It is designed to convert mobile-first traffic with state-of-art optimizations guaranteed for lightning speed experiences. So if a store that focuses on mobile conversions, if you're running a lot of TikTok, Instagram ads, then this is going to be the perfect theme for your store. Now, if we scroll down further, we can see more features about this particular store. So it's designed for high volume stores that have a large number of transactions, and it's good for physical stores and has a quick setup. It allows you to add cart notes and sign in with Shop, and you can also add things like in-store pickups and slide out carts. People can also pre-order stuff and have a sticky cart and a quick buy feature. You also have a lot of marketing tools, which are some of my favorite because these marketing tools that are included within this theme have saved me like $50 every month with subscriptions on Shopify applications, because I used to have to use applications for all of these marketing tools, and having them directly integrated into my theme is just so amazing. This includes back-in-stock alerts, which you can send to your customers, as well as quick views and trust badges, which are a really important thing in building and optimizing your website for conversion because they enhance the user's experience. There also are product badges and recently viewed tabs for customers, as well as EU translations, FAQ page, promo banners, recommended products, cross-selling, in-menu promo, and promo pop-ups, and stock counters. We also have multiple different features, including slideshows, image rollovers, color swatches, image galleries, shipping info, before and after sliders, animations, and product discovery filters, as well as breadcrumbs. Now, what does a store which is using the broadcast theme look like? Well, we can actually view their demo store by clicking on View Demo Store. And it is visually such a beautiful store. You guys can see this is what the default store is going to look like. They have some really nice sections that are built in, including timers and countdowns with multiple different running banners within your theme. Then you can also include sections where you have sliding images. So you guys can see if I scroll down and I move my cursor on this image, the image can slide within an image, which looks really visually appealing. Then if we scroll down further, we have some of our standard shop or call to action tabs, and then more running sliders. And you guys can see it's highly customizable. You can add things like proof of sale or customer proof with different quality tools as well as image inclusive tools. Visually, it's a visual heavy theme with a lot of focus on your marketing aspects. Now, if you view this on mobile devices, this is what it's going to look like. So it looks amazing on the mobile version as well. And the theme actually has multiple different styles. This is the clean style. Then they also have the bright style where the color scheme is changed into bright. Then they also have a groove style as well as a modern and then a bold style. So it really is a fully unique theme that can really be used to customize your store. So you guys can see that with a different theme style applied to the same theme, it is going to look very different. And these types of themes are so amazing for everyone. Now, what are exactly the loading speed tests? Well, if you go to Google or any search engine, you can search for some of the stores that are using this particular theme, and the loading speed of this is amazing. This averages a performance score of about 56, which is slightly lower on the fast end, but it's still a very great score. On laptops, it's going to average about 86 or 87. But on mobile devices, it has 56, 57. That's around the range that it is going to be providing you with speeds. Then if you take a look at some of the pros and cons, it's a mobile responsive design. However, these spectacular features can't go wrong in this theme, and if you're someone that has experience with customization, you're going to like it. However, there are a couple of setbacks. When you are setting this up, a $400 theme might not seem like it's the right choice for you if you're someone that is starting their store for the first time ever, but it can really scale up your sales. I personally do think that it's an amazing theme that you should try out and can be amazing. Now, if you want to take a look at some of the proof that this particular theme works, you can go on to Dylan Skincare. This particular skincare brand is using the broadcast theme on Shopify, and you can see how well their shop tab looks, how well everything is designed. Then if we also take a look at another store, this is the Sir Coffee store. And this coffee store, although Sir Coffee and the Dylan Skincare, both of these both of these brands are using the broadcast theme, they both look so different, but they look so visually appealing. You also have a jewelry brand called Satya Jewelry, which is using this particular theme and has a really nice website. So personally, I think it's an amazing theme and it's definitely worth the $400. It's by Invisible Themes, and it is one thing that their themes are good for is that visual orientation or the visual appeal for their themes is very high, which is going to get you more conversions and more people interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to make your decision on purchasing this amazing theme on Shopify. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.